Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Creativity begins where others see scrap metal. This unusual composition proves that old tools can be given new life. Not every garden decor requires a lot of expense. Sometimes a smile painted on a stone brings more joy than expensive jewelry. These owls prove that recycling can be beautiful. Old horseshoes are transformed into original decorations that will delight for years to come. Natural materials and living plants always look harmonious. This decorative bicycle easily becomes a striking addition to any corner of the garden. Vintage items create a special atmosphere. This old hand pump has been transformed into an unusual floral accent, adding rustic charm to the garden. Even an old motorcycle part can become a stylish planter. This combination of metal, wood, and plants looks bold, original, and very impressive. Natural materials always look cozy. Bamboo edging adds dimension to the flower bed, highlights the plants, and makes the garden even more inviting. This old tree stump has received a new lease on life. Now it not only decorates the property, but greets guests with a smile and a vibrant green hairstyle. The movement of water always draws the eye. Even a compact fountain becomes the focal point of the composition, making the garden more vibrant and harmonious. The natural beauty of a tree doesn't require elaborate decoration. A massive bench made from a single trunk will become a long-lasting garden decoration and a favorite place to relax. You don't need to build complex structures. Simply secure flower pots to wooden slats to create a modern, DIY vertical garden. The combination of aged wood and an unusual shape makes this flower bed a true garden highlight. This simple idea looks expensive and very impressive.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.